look at what many people do here. We have 7 to the power of 2 minus 30 divided by 7 multiplied by 10. Here, many people start with this 7 to the power of 2, that gives 49 minus 30 divided by 7 multiplied by 10. When right here, we have 49 minus 30, that should give 19 divided by 7 multiplied by 10. When right here, we have this 7 times 10, that gives 70, and we have here 19 divided by 70. This can also be expressed as 19 over 70. But this answer is wrong. When as such, this first approach here is completely wrong. Now, to simplify this correctly, we are going to have this 7 to the power of 2 minus 30 divided by 7 multiplied by 10. Right here, we are going to follow this other operation called PEMDAS, and we have this. Now, following this other operation, we have here parentheses. There is no parentheses in this expression. We have exponent here, and we have multiplication, we have division, we don't have addition, and we have subtraction. They're right here. Now, considering this, first we are going to first of all consider exponents. Here we have 7 to the power of 2, that will give us 49 minus 30 divided by 7 multiplied by 10. Then right here, the next operation to be considered is division. Now, multiplication and division have the same precedence, but the operation is from left to right. We move here from left to right. When as such, we have division here. We are going to first of all consider division right here, and this division can also be expressed as we have 49 minus 30 all over 7 when multiplied by 10. Then right now, we are going to consider multiplication before subtraction, because multiplication is of higher priority than the subtraction, and we are going to consider this. Now we have 49 minus 10 times 30 times 10, that to give us 300 all over 7. And right here now we are going to consider subtraction, and we have a whole number and division and fraction here. We are going to multiply 7 by 49, and that will give us 343 minus, this is 300 minus 300, then all over 7, and this equals, if we subtract the numerator, we are going to have 43 all over 7. But now, if you take this to mixed fractions, we are going to have here that this equals 6 and 1 over 7. This is the answer in mixed fraction. If you take it to decimal, we are going to have here 6.14 approximate, and this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.